Principle of gas welding. What is gas welding? The gas welding is one type of welding process in which the edges of the metal to be welded by using gas flame and there is no pressure is applied during welding. The gas welding consists of regulator, hose, oxygen control valve, acetylene control valve, acetylene cylinder and oxygen cylinder. Open the cylinder valves and pressure adjustment knob. Then check the correctness of pressure registered on the pressure gauges. Mixing of oxygen and acetylene forms oxyacetylene gas in a blowpipe, that is torch. The flame is produced at the tip of a welding torch. The welding heat is obtained from burning a mixture of oxygen and a combustible gas. The flame will only melt the metal, so additional metal to the weld is supplied by the filler rod. Hence, both the pieces become a single piece. Equipments used in oxyacetylene welding. The oxyacetylene welding equipments are as follows: regulator, oxygen control valve, acetylene control valve, oxygen cylinder, acetylene cylinder, hose, welding torch. These are all the equipments are commonly used in oxyacetylene welding. Oxygen cylinder. We are going to see the specification of oxygen cylinder. This is the 3D view of oxygen cylinder. The standard color for the oxygen cylinder is black. The oxygen cylinders are usually filled at a pressure of 1200 to 1400 kilonewton per meter square and have a capacity of 6.2 meter cube. The oxygen cylinder weighs approximately 80 kg. Acetylene cylinder. This is the 3D model of acetylene cylinder. The standard color of the acetylene cylinder is maroon. Cylinder valves. Oxygen cylinder, acetylene cylinder, cylinder valve. Now we take a close look of oxygen cylinder valve, which is taken from the oxygen cylinder. The cylinder valves are fitted at the top of the cylinders. Valve of oxygen cylinder is made of brass. Valve fitted to cylinders have left-handed threads for oxygen cylinder. Now we take a close look of acetylene cylinder valve. Acetylene cylinder is made of steel. Valve fitted to cylinders have right-handed threads for acetylene cylinder. The cylinder valves used to block the compressed gas in the cylinder. Pressure regulator gauges. Now we are seeing a close look of pressure gauge. Two pressure gauges are fitted on each pressure regulator. One pressure gauge shows the pressure inside the cylinder and other shows the working of fuel gas and oxygen. Welding torch. The parts of welding torch are as follows: oxygen valve, acetylene valve, mixing chamber, handle, head tube and tip. What is welding torch? The welding torches looks like a blowpipe. The welding torch is a tool for mixing oxygen and acetylene in correct proportions and burning the mixture at the end of a tip, which produces a high temperature flame. Forward or leftward welding. Let us see the forward and leftward welding. This welding consists of filler rod, welding torch. In this method, the welding torch is held in the operator's right hand side and the welding rod in the left hand side. Welding direction. In this welding, the torch flame moves from right to left. Filler rod makes an angle of 30 to 40 degree. Torch makes an angle of 60 to 70 degree. This technique is suitable for MS plates up to 5 mm thick and also used for cast iron and non-ferrous metals. Backward or rightward welding. The backward welding is one of the gas welding technique. This welding consists of filler rod, welding torch. Welding action starts at the left hand side and proceeds to the right hand side. Welding direction. In this welding, the torch flame moves from left to right. Filler rod is held in the left hand at an angle of 30 to 40 degree. The torch is held in the right hand at an angle of 40 to 50 degree. This method is better and economical for plates over 6 mm thickness. Vertical welding. This welding consists of filler rod, welding torch. Welding is commenced at the bottom and proceeds vertically upwards. The operator starts at the bottom of the weld joint and proceeds upwards along the seam. In this method, the filler rod moves ahead followed by the blowpipe.